Hey guys, welcome back to the Eric Bowling Motorsports YouTube channel. Today, we're going to talk about step number 2 of how to get product sponsorship for your racing operation. But first, before we get to the list, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Let's go.
Alright guys, so here we have the list, right? So this is what we were talking about. We make a long list of things that we're looking for 2024. I just threw together some quick things here like what I generally look for every season. So as you can see, shocks, tires, oil, fuel, spark plugs, gaskets. Not going to run through all of them. You guys can read it here. Just basically anything and everything that you could possibly think of that you're going to need. And then whenever you look at the next slide, think of companies that offer the things that we're looking for. So, for example, here on my list, I've got shocks, AFCO, QA1, just a couple examples. Tires, Mickey Thompson, and the other guys. Oil, fuel, spark plugs, NGK Autolite. Let's focus on NGK spark plugs for just a minute. All right, so with NGK spark plugs, we're going to take the same process with all of these manufacturers, and nobody said this was going to be easy. Nobody said this was going to be lack of effort here. So basically what we're going to do is all of these manufacturers, focusing on NGK spark plugs first, we're going to just simply go to Google and we're going to say NGK spark plugs sponsorships. And then we're going to take a look and see what comes up. All right, so I've typed this in on my phone here. You can see the first thing that pops up is NGK. How can I get sponsored? So we're going to click this link, and it's going to take us to a page, and you're going to take a look and try to find this area. How can I get sponsored? There's a link on the bottom of the page here. As you can see, they're accepting sponsorships through November 30th, so you're going to have to hustle if you want to get NGK sponsorship. So click the link. The link then comes to this page. You click the Apply Here button, and you're going to get a survey to take. And that survey is basically an application. All your information, what you're looking for, fill it out, hit submit, and then let's go to the next step. All right, so now you can see on my screen, here's where we start taking extra steps to try to get recognized quicker. We want to look for the marketing manager or marketing director of these companies. So simply NGK Spark Plugs, marketing manager or marketing director. You hit enter, and as you can see, we've got the marketing director's name right at the top of the page.
All right, guys, so that was the first few steps of your sponsorship journey, right? So now we've got our list. We know what manufacturers we're looking for to get these items from. And then there at the end, I showed you a quick trick maybe on what to search if these manufacturers don't have applications online. So you literally are just looking for the marketing manager, marketing director, brand director, somebody to do with aftermarket marketing. So your other manufacturers that don't have these online applications, you're going to have these contacts. So you have to know who to talk to, so you know who to send your proposal to whenever that time comes. And that's a teaser for my next video. Step number 3 is going to be called the proposal. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to create your proposal and what should be included into that proposal, who to send that proposal to, and how often we should send that proposal out. So make sure you stay tuned for step number 3, the proposal, on my next video. Make sure you subscribe. See you guys next time.